dear children, let us start with the next chapter, that is chapter 7, Congruence of triangles. Congruence. Pronunciation is congruence. Understand what is the meaning of congruence. Congruence means similar. Similar to each other. That is what congruence means. For example, again I'll take my two markers. They are congruent to each other because they are exactly similar. Look from any side, they are exactly similar. Hence, these two markers are congruent. What these markers are? These markers are congruent. Clear? This is what congruency means. Congruence means similar. Similar. This is what congruence means. Congruence means similar. So if I talk about congruence, similar, what I need to see that what is congruency of triangles? What is congruency of triangles? Understand, congruency of triangle means the figures which are of same shape and size. Same shape and size. Shape, same. Shape means geometrical. I'm talking about either rectangle, triangle, circle. Shape must be same. Like they are cylindrical in nature right now. Shape must be same. Size also must be same. Size means height, length, breadth. Whatever I'm talking about, whatever the measurements I'm talking about, they must be same. Height, breadth, length, angles, whatever I'm talking about, they must be same. So the figures which are of same shape, size and cover each other exactly. Cover each other exactly. Am I able to hide the next marker with the first marker? Can you see the next marker? No, because it is perfectly covering the second marker. Hence, they are congruent to each other. Now see the magic. The second marker is here. Again, my friend, my first marker will hide the second marker. Again, what is happening? They are superimposing each other. They are superimposing each other. This is very important word. Superimposing. Superimposing means covering each other. Covering each other. This is what. And hence, the two markers are said to be congruent. That is what is congruency. When two objects of same shape means if I'm talking about circle, if I'm talking about rectangle, if I'm talking about square, quadrilateral, any shape, any damn shape, and same size. Size means length, breadth, height, angle, whatever I'm talking about, and cover each other exactly are said to be congruent. That is exact copies of each other. This is what is happening. They are exact copies of each other. Yes or no? Let me take another example. These two compasses are exact copy of each other. Exact copy of each other. They are congruent in nature. Let me take another thing. The two bottles, again congruent in each other. Why? Same shape and size and cover each other exactly. Yes. These two covers again exactly each other, congruent to each other, same shape, size and cover each other exactly. You can see, you can observe. Can you see the last one? No, covering each other, again congruent to each other. But are these bottles congruent to each other? Let me try. I don't think so. Because if I bring the first one, you are able to see the second bottle, hence they are not congruent to each other. Are we clear? This is what congruency means. Let me say, take examples of two pencils. Are they? No. One is bigger, one is bit smaller. Hence they are not congruent to each other. This is again the example. Next example, the books. I'm having the books with me. They are having same shape, rectangular, no problem. They are cuboidal in shape. They are cuboidal in shape because they are having length, breadth and height. Three things they are having, that's why they are 3D shapes. 3D books. Are we clear? But if I observe them carefully, they are not same. Why? They will not exactly cover up each other. You can just see, observe the breadth of this book and the breadth of this book are different. That is why they are not congruent in nature. Are we clear? Let me take the example of the circles also. These two bangles are not congruent because just see. Actually, they are not covering. Is this bangle able to cover up that particular thing? No. But if I'll impose again, so they are not congruent to each other. This is what congruency means. Are we clear? Congruent means same shape, size and must cover each other or superimpose each other. Just take the example of these two triangles. ABC, EFG, 70, 70, 60, 60 degree, 50 degree, 50 degree, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So can I say triangle ABC is congruent to EFG? But you might be thinking, what is this? This is the sine of congruency. Sine of congruency. Like we have the sign of equality, equal to sign, plus sign, minus sign, addition we show by plus, subtraction we show by minus, multiplication by this, division by this. Similarly, congruency shown by this. What you will do, I'll show you how to write. Put equal to sign first, equal to sign. Now put one way like this. This is what congruency. Congruency sign. You will not write completely triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EFG. No. This is the way to write. This is the way. This is the technical way. This is the brilliant way of representing congruency. Are we clear? So two lines, parallel line and one wave. Just one wave. This shows they are similar to each other. Similar. And this shows approximation. This shows approximation. Means almost same. Almost same. Exactly same. Almost same. This is what it means. Are we clear? Any doubt anyone is having with this? Sure. Next, let's study about the various congruence among simple geometrical shapes. Simpler geometrical shapes means we are not considering the bigger polygons, right? So understand first the line segment. What are line segment? Which are having two endpoints and have measurement. Two line segments are congruent if they have same length. If two line segments are having same length, they are said to be congruent. They are said to be congruent. For example, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So what is the condition for two line segment to be congruent? They must have same length. Naming is not. If it's AB and this CD, that's not a problem. But their length should be same. Therefore, can I write line segment AB is congruent to line segment CD? Any doubt? Because they both are having same length. Clear? Next, angles. Angles. What will be the condition for angles? Two angles are congruent if they have same measure. For example, PQ are 70 degree, ABC 70 degree. Both are angles and both are having same measurement. I'll show you with the help of compass. Just have a look. For example, these two are angles. Brilliant example I'm taking right now. These two are angles. If I put this compass over this compass, both are superimposing each other. If just a bit, superimposing each other, you are not able to see. These are two angles congruent to each other. This way the two angles are congruent to each other. Two angles are congruent to each other. Two angles are congruent to each other. It means measurement must be same. Now, are they congruent? Because I am not able to superimpose. They are two different things. They are not same now. So hence, for the congruency of two angles to be same, we need to have the same measure. We need to have the same measure. It means that angle PQR is congruent to what? Triangle ABC. Are we clear? Very important. Next, for a circle, the two circles are congruent if they have same radius. Understand what is radius? First of all, what is the radius? A circle is having a center. What happens? What is a circle? How we get the circle? I'll tell you. Shall I rub the above part for the understanding of circles? How we get circle? If I draw a center, from the center I am taking the lengths of equal measurement. This is what I am doing. If I join this, I must get a circle. I must get a circle. This is what I am getting. If I am joining, I am getting a circle. Yes or no? Almost a circle. This is what circle. Circle, what is circle? A locus. Locus means a shape. A locus of the points. A locus of the point. Because these all are points. The locus of the point which are equal from a fixed point. Which are drawn from the fixed point. What is this fixed point called? This fixed point is center of a circle. Are we clear? Locus means shape. Shape which we get after joining all these points which we have taken from the fixed point. Considering this fixed point, if I am drawing the various lengths and if I draw the circle, I will be getting, if I join the points, I will be getting a circle. So, locus of points is known as circle. Locus means shape. Clear? So, this is center which is fixed. Center is fixed. Now, what is this length called? The length. What is radius? Radius is the distance. Is the distance between what? Between what? The center and the end point of circle. The distance between radius, the center or the end point. This is what the end point is. And hence this is called radius. So are we clear? What is radius? The distance between the center and the point on the circle. This is what radius. This is what radius. This is what radius. So for the circle to be congruent, what should be same? Because radius. Radius should be same. So this is what the condition. See the radius? OA, OB both are same. Hence they are said to be congruent. So I can say this circle 1, this is circle 2. Circle 1 is congruent to circle 2. This is what congruency. C1 means circle. So let me take the examples of again two bangles. Are they congruent to each other? No. If you see clearly, they are not superimposing each other. The pink color bangle is not able to cover the steel bangle, the metal bangle. Hence they are not congruent to each other because their radius are not same. That is why they are not congruent. So what is the condition for circle to be a congruent? That radius must be same. Now let's see the conditions for triangle, rectangle and square. What are the conditions for a rectangle, for a triangle, for a square to be congruent? Congruent means similar. Similar means same shape, size and must cover each other. Let's see what is the condition for triangles. Triangles, very important thing is condition. Again, same shape and same size. Size here means length, side of, the length of each side must be same. Secondly, what is angle? For a triangle, there are conditions that either sides must be same, either the angle must be same. There are four criteria. Which we will study in the further classes, on the basis of which we will divide the congruency, like SSS, side congruency, angle congruency, angle side congruency, and RHS congruency, right angle hypotenuse side congruency. These four types will be studied in coming classes. So two triangles need to be congruent in terms of what? In terms of sides and angles. For example, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 70, 70, 60, 60, 50, 50. They are congruent. Are we clear? So the triangle congruency is divided on what prospect? On what factors? Side and angles. Are we clear? They must be same. Next, rectangle. What is rectangle? A four-sided figure whose each angle is 90 degree and length and breadth are not equal. So two rectangles are congruent. Two rectangles are congruent if they have same length and breadth. Same length and breadth. Length, breadth, length, breadth, length, breadth. Are we clear? Length, breadth. So do remember same length and breadth. For example, I will be taking this one, A, B, C. Again, I will be taking E, F, G, H. Let us assume that they are rectangles. This is 3 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, this will also be 3 centimeter, this is also 2 centimeter, this is also 2 centimeter, this is also 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So can I say, if we look at it not looking like, but do assume that they are they? If I'll make it 4 and I'll make it 4. Are they congruent? No ways. See, 3, 3 okay, 3, 3 okay. But here 2, but here 4. They are not congruent. So what is the condition? Same length and same breadth. Now square. Let's consider these two notes. One is of 20 rupees, one is of 10 rupees. Are they congruent to each other? No. They are rectangular in shape, yes or no? But 20 rupees note length is bigger and breadth almost same. Only the length is the difference, you can see clearly. The 10 rupees note is not able to cover the 20 rupees note. Hence they are not congruent to each other. Are we clear? This is the best example of rectangles. The notes, 20 and 10 rupees notes, they are not congruent to each other. Clear? What is square whose all sides are equal? Whose all sides are equal and each angle 90 degree. This is what square. All sides are equal. Square. Let me consider this is square. A, B, C, D. Closed figure. Let me consider this also the square. E, F, G, H. 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. Each angle 90 degree. All sides are equal. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Are these squares congruent? Yes. Square ABCD is congruent to square EFGH. Why? Because side are same. So what is the congruency rule for square? Sides must be equal. This is what is the congruency rule for square. Are we clear? So let's have a recap. For line segment, length must be same. For angle, angle measure should be same. For circle, the radius must be same. For triangle, side and angles must be same. For rectangle, length and breadth must be same. For a square, the side must be same. Are we clear with this? So this is there in the congruence basis. In the next video, we'll discuss about the criteria, the criterions, because criteria is singular, criterion is the plural form of criteria. Condition for two triangles to be congruent. So we have discussed the 4 types, that is side congruency, when we'll be contributing and considering all the 3 sides. Angle side angle, we'll be considering 2 angles on one side. Angle side, 2 angles first, then side first, then RHS. RHS means right angle hypotenuse side. That is also one criteria. This is what we have to do in this chapter. Very comfortable chapter, very easy chapter. Clear with this? Till then, take care. Bye bye.